Welcome to this Premiere Pro tutorial on how to make the most of this series. I am Luisa Winters. I am a musician, editor, pilot, and business owner. I am also a teacher. I have been working and teaching Adobe products for well over 2 decades and cannot imagine doing my work without the Creative Cloud toolset. In this series, we will use files that you can download. Please follow the link on the description to download these files and save them locally in your system. I saved mine on my desktop. Once you download the files and look at them, you will notice that there are folders and files inside of this location. These files are Premiere Pro projects that refer to these other files here inside of the footage folder. We will use the same assignment, which is a coffee shop advertisement, throughout the entire series, but we are providing an updated version of the Premiere Pro project file for each tutorial. You can choose to either keep on working on the original Premiere Pro project throughout the series, or just jump in at any point and start following along using the project file for that specific tutorial. Let's open the footage folder and see what's in there. Once you double-click it, you see that there are 3 more folders in here, one for audio, one for graphics, and one for video. We will be referring to these assets as we go throughout this training. Next, I want to say that the files that we are using for you to go through the training are to be used only for your learning purposes and not for anything else. I would also like to mention that I may be working with a different screen resolution than you. And that's because I'm recording the screen. So our screens may not look exactly the same, but they should be similar enough for you to easily follow the training. In this series, we assume that you're familiar with your computer system and that you're comfortable with it. Also, I am using and recording on a Windows system, but you may be using a Mac. This is not a problem. I will mention any kind of differences between the two as I go through the topics and will give you keyboard shortcuts and menu locations in both Windows and Mac. If I don't mention the differences between Windows and Mac in any particular keyboard shortcut or menu location, it's because it's the same no matter which system you're using. What will we cover in this series? This series was designed with certification in mind, meaning that in addition to covering the basics of using Premiere Pro, we will touch on many of the essential skills, workflows, and concepts that you must know to pass the Adobe Certified Professional exam. A video later in the series will go into more detail about how to prepare for and take the exam. I must add that if you go through all of the aspects of this training, you will be equipped to pass the exam. But you need time with Premiere Pro. This certification requires 150 hours of Premiere Pro experience. So this is not your magic bullet, but it sets the foundation of helping you to get certified. Okay, let's get started.